Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today I'll show you how to install Spyder taillights on this 2018 Mercedes CLA 250. Tools used for the installation: masking tape, ratchet, 8mm socket, panel popper, and plastic trim remover. Go ahead and pop your trunk open. Apply masking tape to prevent any damages. Now repeat on the other side. Carefully unseat the floor panel. Remove two clips securing the trunk panel. Now carefully unclip the trunk panel. Starting with the sides, you want to carefully lift straight up. Remove taillight cover and unplug your taillight by pressing down on the tab. Open up the liner and remove 3 8mm nuts securing the taillight. Open the liner, take your trim remover, wedge it between the taillight gasket and the body of the vehicle, and pry the taillight out. Carefully unseat your taillight. Bring over your Spyder taillight. On the bottom, you're going to line up these two guides with the two slots on the taillight, and these 3 studs with the holes, and you're going to clip this one right in here. Reinstall the 3 8mm nuts securing the taillight. Plug in your Spyder taillight. Tuck the harness inside. Reinstall the cover. And now repeat the same process on the opposite side. Reinstall the trunk panel. Be sure to line up the guides and the clips. Clip it in place. Reinstall the 2 clips securing it. Reinstall the weather strip over the edge of the trunk panel. Carefully reinstall the floor panel. Remove the masking tape. Now that we're finished with the installation, let's close the trunk and test the taillight functions.